I was dragging the worm behind the boat in that basket.
He's a good one. He's a keeper.
Right there, the boiling. Oh, you can tell once you cast it. Hey, where's your brother? He's sleeping over there.
Oh, yes! This is more like it. Look at that. Whoa! Musky! Right behind it! Musky! Musky! Musky chasing it! Did you see that muskie?
He tried to hit the crappie?
I got it on video. He tried to demolish it.
What was it, a crappie?
Yeah, big crappie, a big muskie. Missed it. I got it.
Is it full of teeth marks?
Did I hear muskie? Yep, muskie just hit my crappie. That muskie was giant. Whoa, muskie! By a muskie. He's gonna probably drag me with my kayak trying to catch these. That was so sick. Guys, this is gonna be the end of tonight. We're gonna cook these. We're gonna cook these fish, and it's gonna be a catch, clean, cook. And as you guys can see, look at that. This is the one that the muskie went after. Come back like that. My favorite color is this, the pink Bobby Garland minnow, with just a weight on it, just like that. And that's what I caught these crappies on right here. So, right now, if you can see, right there, if you can see, it is 6:18. So let's head out and let's clean these fish and let's cook them. It is actually the next day, and we're going to be cooking up these fish. Here they are. On to 6. While the oil's getting hot, let's keep on shaking. Or flazing. This way. That's what you call frying. piece right here is done. Start right here. Paper towel on the plate to soak up any excess grease. This is done. Toast is done, and right away when it's hot, throw on that cheese so it melts. Just like that. Whoa. Fire, fire. Just kidding. So look at that. Look at that fish. Just beautiful. Put it on our sandwich. One piece just like that. This piece just like that. And then, we're not done yet though. Ranch, and the best ranch ever created. Culver's Ranch. Just like that. Look at that. Hopefully it's not hot. I'm gonna probably burn myself. Woo! Best fish sandwich ever.